Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach. I'm excited. Today we've got a perfectly central located right in Panama City.
Yes, 4-bedroom in the Forest Park area.
Yes, 2-car garage. Centrally located between 390 and 23rd Street. You can't get any more perfect than that.
You can't beat that. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to the spacious ensuite. You've got so much room here, and I love how you can overlook the pool and just kind of wake up cozy in the mornings. Plenty of space for your dresser, your chest. You've got your walk-in closet, and of course it's got an ensuite. What I love specifically about this ensuite is how much counter space there is. You know, we women and all. But you've got to check out the other 3 bedrooms in this beautiful 4-bed, 2-bath house.
Hey there, I wanted to show you this great kitchen over here in this house in Fairmont. We've got lots of space. I really love the center island and the cooktop, and plenty of cabinetry and storage if you have lots of kitchen utensils. And check it out, it goes into the main living area that lets in a lot of natural light. They recently did the flooring, brand new flooring, no carpet, a great fireplace, and the windows allow a lot of natural light with French doors that lead out into your spacious backyard and your own private pool. In addition to the extra little details that have been done here, like painting and new flooring, they've also done some extras outside, like new gutters, and the pool has been recently resurfaced. Check out this big, beautiful backyard.
That's what's so great about this area in Panama City is you've got such larger lot lines because their houses are a little bit older. You've got plenty of front yard space so the kids won't be too close to the road, but look at all this. For the dogs, the kids, the friends, everything.
I know, you've got this pool, it's fenced in.
Yep.
You can easily get to the backyard from the living room. It has everything you need.
So for more information, look at the description below. We've got the listing link so you can get all of the details and answer any more questions you may have.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.